happy. I'm so happy with my teammates for the victory. We fought a very good fight, and I'm so happy. I'm humbled. Kenya Pipeline is a good team, and when we were pulled together with them, we expected competition in the pool first of all, and I can say that that gave us more morale to work extra hard. And when we met them again in the finals, I'm happy to say that we've reduced in the pool. We beat them 3-2, but now we've won 3-1, and I'm so happy for that. Still focusing as KCB, it's not over. Even the season is on, and we can't go for a rest for so long because the season is still on. So we are just going to take a short break.
Very happy that my players have played well. The competition was very tough from the preliminary level up to the semi-finals, and then the finals. They were very tough, but I'm happy we have won this championship. KCB is a force to reckon with, and we are here to prove a point that we are still going strong. So long as we get another, another setter that can help Esther Mutinda, then we'll be home and dry. Remember that she has been playing this championship alone, without any help, and she has done it. She has worked tirelessly to bring the trophy to KCB. We are yet to decide on what to do, but the next league is in Malaba, and it's coming on in January 8th. So we may not have that long time to rest. So we are going to plan our training schedule that when the 8th comes, we are already in the good shape to compete again.